Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Gemini. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Gemini. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. Gemini. So let's start with these cards. We have the Burning Tower in reverse, Prince of Suns, and Ace of Stars in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your career or maybe in this relationship, there are some confusion or doubts in your circumstances. Something is happening, it is beyond your control. Maybe you are trying really hard, trying to avoid something, trying to make things go in the right way, but you see a lot of obstacles, guys, and you see that whatever you do, maybe you are trying to adjust yourself, trying to go for a different choice, maybe in your situation, whatever it is, you see a lot of struggles. Something may not be right, and maybe you feel that you have done something wrong, maybe in your work, some kind of mistakes, something you did, and you are seeing the results today, and you feel really worried, guilty, maybe for some of you, guilty of some wrong decisions you made for yourself, for your work, or maybe in your personal life you have made some wrong decision that is giving you a lot of pain, maybe. And Gemini, you are someone really, who is a very responsible person, and you are someone who wants to do the things, do everything in the right way. So you are quite emotional when you do something, or when you do something and it goes wrong. Maybe you have put in a lot of efforts, but still, when it goes wrong, you see yourself sad, and you see yourself guilty or worried, embarrassed. And maybe the same way in this relationship, guys. You are someone really devoted to this person, you want this relationship, you love them, but there is some lack of clarity you may have, because maybe for some of you this person is quite a short tempered person. It may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys, and this anger is the reason for some troubles between you both. And you want this relationship, you want to be with them, but their angry behavior or words is preventing you from understanding them. So there is some kind of something is not working out, or something is missing. So you are trying really hard, maybe, and you need the truth, you need to understand what this person truly feels. But whatever you do, whatever you try, you may not see clarity, guys. So you are someone who is also a kind person, a knowledgeable person, but however hard you are trying, you may not see a clarity in this relationship, guys. So they have something to tell you, and they are hiding their true feelings or their true emotions towards you, Gemini. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Pope of Stars. So with this card, guys, maybe in this relationship you need someone to tell you something. Maybe you are expecting help or from some friend or a family member, or it may be their energy. Maybe they are expecting someone's answer or guidance regarding something, and you are what to say, you just want to find out what is the solution for your circumstances, guys. So you want to understand them, but this person is not telling you their true feelings or emotions. But there is help today in your situation, guys. In this relationship there is someone to help you today, Gemini. So it may be your person, it may be what to say, your friend or a family member, your parent. Someone is here to guide you, Gemini. That is what I see with this card. So for your career's circumstance, it's fortune's wheel. So in your work, maybe certain decisions may go right, certain things may go wrong, but whatever your situation is, guys, you are happy because you see positive lucrative returns in your work. And also maybe certain things may fail, but you are not worried because you see some good returns in your career situation, guys. And destiny is the reason for things unfolding in this way. So whatever is supposed to reach you in your work, it is surely coming towards you, guys, that success and that returns. So that is the reading with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have Cosmic Heart. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you have faced a lot of trials, a lot of difficulties, struggles, and you're trying to understand the reason for things going in a particular way, or the reason for what to say, maybe you're resisting something, resisting some changes or some circumstances. But whatever it is you do, maybe you feel really uncomfortable today, but you need to understand that life is unfolding just as it should. Maybe whether you understand it or not, whether you accept it or not. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So in your circumstances today, you need some clarity or some kind of what to say, understanding, and you are attempting to hold on to things you don't want to lose, maybe, and you don't want to let go, and you don't want to change yourself. Maybe your circumstances are pushing you towards some changes, and you feel that you cannot handle those changes, or handle a change in your the way you are, or in your situation. So you are resisting some change happening to you or happening to your circumstances. But you need to understand that you don't need to know what is going on, guys. Maybe sometimes life will unfold some circumstances, some things we may not understand, but it will be for our own good. So universe is aligning some changes for you today in your life, guys, maybe in your personal life or in your career situation, whatever it is, and it is that divine destiny that is being delivered to you, whether you like it or not, or whether you understand it or not. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have why. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our life, in this relationship, we often we often go through certain circumstance, we often engage in our relationships, maybe our feelings are not always logical. Maybe now you need to try to understand whether these feelings are triggered by something of the past. Maybe what is the motivation behind this behavior of yours. You need to ask yourself why you are feeling this way, or why you said certain things to this person. So you need to spend time in introspection, thinking about what needs to be done. Listen to the messages from your intuition deep down within you. What does it tell about yourself? So life is a deep understanding of our needs and how to get them, guys. So we need to uncover deep down in our heart. We will know why we are expecting certain things, or why we are behaving in such a way. So these powerful questions we can ask ourselves and our partner today. So that is going to uncover the answers. What is the true intentions we have in our situation? If it is true love we have towards this person, that is the reason for our behavior or for our words, we can go ahead. But if the answer is something of the past, maybe we want to say some things to this person, some unresolved issues we have with our past person, and we just take it out on this person we are with. So if that is the case, that is the motive behind this relationship, we must think again whether we need this connection. So we need to be clear about the motives we have today towards this person, towards this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.